guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm sharing a review on magnetic lashes. So a friend requested for me to do a review on magnetic lashes since we've been in quarantine. And normally I have eyelash extensions, but they've since fallen off and I haven't had to do a refill. So I decided to try magnetic lashes. I've had strip lashes before where they do the glue, but unfortunately this is a little bit harder for me, so I kind of just don't even do it because one, I never get it right, or it just like ends up coming off. So I just decided to try the magnetic lashes. So I bought two different kinds. I bought the Ardell one and the Eyelure, which is two different applicator. One is like a liquid magnetic liner and the other one is a gel liner. And they come with lashes that have magnets on the back. So basically what you do is you'll line your lashes and then attach these lashes on top of the liner. So I'm going to share with you how I do that, as well as how I take it off. Okay, so I just did my eye makeup and I also line my eyes with eyeliner. The reason why I do this first is because I like to have a guideline on how I'm going to do my magnetic eyeliner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my magnetic liner, I'm going to dab a little bit in there, and then I'm going to line my eyes and follow my winged liner. Okay, then I'm going to do the other eye. Okay, now that my liner is on, you can see I put it on, and it's a pretty thick line. I'm going to take my lashes, and I'm just going to place it on there. And I just follow my winged line. I've never trimmed these. I don't think you need to, especially if you do a wing liner. And there you go. That's how easy it is to put on. And I'll show you later how to take it off. And that's it. Alright guys, so you see how easy it is to do magnetic lashes. So currently right now I'm using the Ardell eyeliner but I'm wearing the Eyelure lashes. So I prefer the gel liner over this liner. For some reason this was bothering me, and I felt like you had to apply like multiple coats on this, where this one you just had to do like a good thick coat and you were good, and the lashes stayed pretty well. But you are going to get a more precise line on with this kind of applicator than this one. However, I preferred the Eyelure lashes over the Ardell lashes that came with it, just because I felt like it was more glam and it really kind of stood out. Right. So here is the difference between the Eyelure lashes and the Ardell lashes. So you can see how this extends out just a little bit more, and it's more of like that like flirty look, while this is shorter and more of like that everyday. So this is definitely more glam, and I don't know if you can tell the difference from there, but I like this for the fullness over this, but this is great for like an everyday look. And I also feel like the magnet on the Ardell ones are not as like strong after a couple applications as the Eyelure ones, because I've used this only a couple of times and have had to reapply, whereas this one sticks really well, and I didn't have to like reapply it. So I don't know if you can tell the difference, but I definitely can, and I love, love, love this one. So I definitely recommend magnetic lashes for good everyday use. For a couple hours is perfect for like a photo shoot or like going to work, but I highly recommend taking it off every day. And this is what I use to take off my magnetic lashes. I'll show you in this next clip how easy it is to take it off. Okay guys, so how I take off the magnetic liners and my magnetic lashes is super easy. So first I just remove my lashes. Look at that, it's really that easy. It is seriously the easiest thing to do. Okay, then you can see, I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so I have a little bit of the liner, magnetic liner right there. So what I'm gonna do is I have my natural virgin coconut oil, which I love, a Q-tip, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of it, and then I'm gonna spread it on my lashes. Sorry, not on my lashes, on my lids. So, coconut oil is a natural makeup remover, but it's also really great for your skin and hair and so many other things. So it's just honestly like the best thing ever, and I use it as a lotion too. But right now I'm going to show you how to do it. Take off your magnetic liner. Okay, now that's like all in there, I'm gonna take a tissue and just wipe it off. And see, I have no liner. And you can actually do this whole thing for your eye makeup if you wanted. That's it. That's how easy it is to take it off. And there's no glue and no residue. And that's how easy. So overall, I definitely recommend magnetic lashes. It's so much easier than the glue one. I personally think so. And I feel like they last a while. So I've had these for maybe 3 weeks now, and I'm still using the same lashes that I got from my previous kit, and I probably wear them like 4-5 days out of the week. So this has stood up really well. I still have the applicator. I have a lot. I mean, I think this probably could give me a good at least 2 months on this, because there's so much in there, and you don't need a lot to really get these lashes on. So would I recommend lashes? Yes. And depending on what kind of applicator you use, I prefer the Ardell. However, if you like more of that liquid liner, the Eyelure is a great one too. You just have to add more and for it to stick. So you have to do several layers with this. As far as the lashes go, I love the Eyelure lashes just because it's a more glam. But if you were looking for an everyday, the Ardell one is great too. So hopefully this review has helped you on making the decision about magnetic lashes. If you haven't tried it, they're really great. They're cheap. They're $15 and they're usually on sale, and sometimes you can get them for under $10. So definitely a great investment, especially if you're going to get a month's use, at least a month's use out of a $10 pair of lash. That's better than $50 for eyelash extensions for sure. So I'll definitely be using these more often. I don't know if I'll be going back to eyelash extensions. I love the eyelash extensions and the fact that I don't have to do anything with my lashes, but I do love the glam of these, and they're really easy. So there's definitely pros for both, and hopefully, you know, during quarantine, these are a great alternative. So thank you so much for watching this review on magnetic lashes. If you find it helpful, just hit like and subscribe. Bye guys.